guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am super excited because I am bringing you all of my fall open invites for the challenges and some of the collabs that I still have room for any of you if you would like to join in. So I am sharing, there are different, so if you do not know, I have 3 different channels. There is a DIY channel, home channel, and cooking channel, and I'm sharing what I'm hosting and all the open invites and collaboration on all 3 of them. So the first one that I'm going to be starting off with is my DIY channel, and on that DIY channel, if you follow along, you know that every month I have a DIY challenge with a different theme. For this month, for the month of September, it is fall. So my very first open invite is Fall DIY Challenge, and it's any budget. You can create whatever you want. It doesn't have to be from a particular store, but you have to show us what you created, and it has to be fall themed. And that one is September 3rd at 2 p.m. The next one is a Fall DIY dollar store challenge. Now I'm located in Canada, so we also have a Dollarama, so I didn't want it to just limit it to Dollar Tree, but it can be Dollar Tree, but it can be any dollar store type of store that you have in your area that you buy your DIY materials from, and you create something for fall with those supplies. So creating a DIY with using dollar store items for fall, and that one is September 8th at 3 p.m. Now my every quarterly, I guess, I host a Fall Trash to Treasure open invite, and that one I am co-hosting with Vesna TV. If you do not know, Vesna is my sister, and we are hosting this together, and it is themed fall. And what I ask you to do is to purchase something or maybe get it for free from a second-hand outlet. So it can be a thrift store, garage sale, your mom's garage, and you upcycle it to suit your style. And this time it's for fall. So whether it's a chair that you're going to use on your front porch to put your fall pillows on, or maybe it's a tray that you had upcycled and now you're making a fall vignette on. It can, it doesn't matter. It can be $1, it can be $50, it can be small as a tray, it can be large as a piece of furniture. It doesn't matter. Just do something to it so it fits your style, of your decor style, and you use it to decorate in your fall decor. And that one is on September 10th at 2 p.m. Now my next one is a Thanksgiving / Halloween DIY challenge. So this one will be in October, and it's part of my monthly DIY challenge, but I'm making it a Thanksgiving or Halloween theme. It's up to you what you wish to make it as, because our Thanksgiving is shortly after in Canada, so I wanted to give an opportunity to all of my Canadian friends to maybe create something for Thanksgiving if they wish so, but if not, they can always create something for Halloween. And this one is up October 1st at 2 p.m. The next Halloween, now I had so much fun this month with this challenge, so I thought I'd bring it back again, and it is a Halloween Pinterest inspired DIY challenge. And so find your Pinterest inspiration and recreate it, and that one will be October 13th at 3 p.m. So that is it for my DIY channel. So moving on to my home channel, I am co-hosting a fall tier tray decor with it's a collaboration with Lisa Burningham, and we are inviting you to decorate your tier tray, whether it's a 2-tier tray, 3-tier tray, or both, for fall. You can also create a DIY in this video that you want to use on these tier trays. So the theme is fall, and I'm co-hosting it with Lisa Burningham, and the upload date is September 2nd at 3 p.m. and that's over on my home channel. And the next one, fall front porch, decorate with me. I love decorating my front porch for all the seasons, and I thought, why not ask you all to join, the one that love to decorate their front porches as well. You can create a DIY for this, or you can just decorate with what you have. You can go shopping for something new that you want to include. Just show us how you decorate, show us the process and the end result. And the upload is September 13th at 9 a.m. And then the next one, the last one for the home tour, I am hosting with Mary from Rocky Mountain Gardens, a fall home tour. I love sharing my home for fall with you guys, and showing you how I decorated, showing you how I display all of my DIYs and new things that I have purchased and the old things that I've had. I have been doing home tours ever since I've been on YouTube, so I thought, well, if anybody else wishes to share a home tour, we can create a playlist for everyone that's watching home tours, so they have access to multiple home tours for fall and get a ton of great inspiration. So me and Mary from, like I said, Rocky Mountain Gardens are co-hosting together this collaboration, and all we ask you is to share your fall home tour on in the playlist, and the upload date for that is September 22nd at 3 p.m. Eastern time. So I forgot to say all of my times are Eastern, but I will have all the information linked down below, so that way you can see it all. And now moving on to my cooking channel, these are not open invite challenges. I am doing a collaboration with a whole bunch of ladies, and I have a couple spots open still, so if anybody would like to join in. So on August 28th, which is next week, I am again hosting a collaboration for $10 dinner collab, where you create a dinner for your family for under $10, and you show us what you use, how much it costs. You don't have to include oil or condiments or seasonings in your price, but everything else, just let us know how much you spent and your total cost for that meal, and the purpose of this is to have it under $10 or under. And the upload date for that one is August 28th at 3 p.m. And then in October 8th, it's Fall Baking Collab at 3 p.m. Share us your fall baking recipe. And that's it. So if you wish to join any of those collabs, please message me either in this video, or send me a private message, or send me through Instagram so I can add you to the list. I only have 2 or 3 spots available for each one of those, so if this is something that interests you, please message me as soon as you can. So that's it. I hope you guys can join me. Let me know down in the comments if you are planning on joining me for some or all of them. And I'm looking so forward to all the things coming this fall and leading to Christmas. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.